Good morning, everybody, my dear fellow subscribers. I had a very nice night. I was silent, and today I'm gonna go to Chañaral because you know, I lost the little part of my little oven. So I'm gonna get some gasoline, some cartridges of gasoline, of gas. And yeah, well, and until I made a new one, I will use gas for the next couple of days. So yeah, and this gonna organize in Chañaral. It's just 50 kilometers down south at the end of the national park here of the Pan de Azucar. And yeah, this is where I'm going, packing together, everything is fine. And yeah, no coffee today, no coffee. This is a rough road. Here we are. Thank you for the stay. I think I got everything. Yeah, got everything. Here we go. To Khanarai or Chañaral. Well, to the next town.
Two lines where colors blend and silence reigns. Take a deep breath.
Oops, ouch. Sorry.
That fills your lungs boundless.
Check if nothing happened to Irma down there. Yeah, I think I hit the main stand. All good. Let's go. Ah, look at it. Gotta take a picture here.
In all directions, look for this point, your point of truth, where everything starts and everything ends. Weightless,
abandoned this place. Nobody is here because of the COVID situation. Oh, look at this big bones of the spine of whales. There's a little description of what is around. Well, this didn't get a lot of attention. Huge guanaco. Ah, look, there's a dolphin spine with still dolphin's tail on it. Oh, turtle. The underjaw of a whale. Look at this big spine here. Wow. But nice, calm, no wind today. Quite beautiful here. There would be a camping there on the corner, but I'd rather go wild camping. We gotta go on.
Look for this point, your point of truth, where everything starts and everything ends. Weightless, timeless, bodiless,
You see all these spots there in the desert? It's all little cactuses. They're all over the place. Here's the entrance to the park. Nobody is there. This is the town of Chañaral. Yeah, it looks big enough. I think I'm gonna get my gas cartridge there. Sí, uno 650, sí.
¿Y cuánto es?
650, sí.
Gasta menos.